Hello and welcome to the second film in our Between the Lines series. In it, we examine how and why we make architectural drawings. Language and architectural drawing are the main means of communication in architectural practice. Our drawings tell the builders on site what to do, how to construct a building. They are the architect's way of giving instructions, and builders must be able to understand and follow them. Architectural drawing is a language shared by everyone working on a building project. And just as this involves various different trades and professions, so there are different types of drawing. A design drawing shows what a building will look like once completed. Here, for example, you can see a very abstract drawing that illustrates the concept behind a building. This plan shows the detail of a parapet wall in the same building. A parapet wall is the extension of a structural wall that forms a barrier at the edge of a flat roof. This construction drawing provides the builders with the information they need to construct the parapet wall, that is, to assemble its various components. In both cases, the quality of the drawing as a means of communication depends on its precision, clarity, and beauty. Summary. Architectural drawing is a language shared by everyone working on a building project. Different types of drawing fulfill different needs. How easy a drawing is to understand depends on its precision, clarity, and beauty. Please take a look at the next film in the series, in which we consider DIN 1356-1, the German standard for architectural drawings.